Romberg test. So if you'll stand next to me and if you'll have your hands by your side and close your eyes for me. And we're just looking for any swaying. And there is none, so the patient has a negative Romberg test. So if you'll have a seat for me. Next, we'll test her strength. So if you'll squeeze my hands for me. Strength is 5 of 5, equal bilaterally. If you'll hold your arms up for me in front of you, and I'm going to push down, try to hold them up. Good. And then try to push them down. Strength is 5 of 5 in the arms. Next, we will assess her lower extremities. If you could push down on your feet for me, and then pull back. Good. Strength is 5 of 5 in her lower extremities as well. Next, we'll do rapid hand movements or fine motor skills. So if you can take your finger and touch your nose and then alternate each hand doing that. Good. A little faster. Good. Okay. Next, we'll do rapid hands movement. So if you'll just flip your hands on. Perfect. Good. And then next, I'll have you touch your heel to your shin and then just move it up and down for me. Good. Alrighty, no abnormalities with that. So next, we'll test your deep tendon reflexes. I would use a reflex hammer if I had one, but instead I'll use my bell of my stethoscope. So we'll start with your arm. If you'll hold it like this, we'll do the brachioradialis. And movement there, good. We'll do the bicep. And then we'll move on to the other arm. Good, we see that reflex? Good. And then we'll also do her knees. Alrighty, so her reflexes are nice and intact. There's no abnormalities in your musculoskeletal or neuro exam. Do you have any questions for me, Ashley?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Well, your complete health exam was within normal limits, so you can just follow up as needed, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for visiting today.
Thank you.